These units are made in the USA by Travis Industries, but the inserts are only available through their limited dealer network and their warranty is only average when compared to other brands. The units offer an optional green start automatic ignition system as well as rectangular or arched doors for the fireplace. The Answer NexGen-Fyre model is for small homes or a single room and they do not include a blower, while the Evergreen NexGen-Fyre model has a 70,720 BTU heating capacity and offers an optional single-speed blower for distributing the heat. The medium Flush NexGen-Fyre model has a 55,395 BTU heating capacity with a standard single-speed blower, while the large Flush NexGen-Fyre model has a 66,736 BTU capacity with a 73% efficiency. The large Flush NexGen-Hybrid model uses catalytic combustion, which provides for higher efficiencies but also requires more maintenance. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.